Well, folks, she's still a piece of crap. I changed the gear and put the governor in it. Still doesn't shift. That's apparently not where it was leaking because it's still leaking transmission fluid like freaking crazy. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. This piece of crap, I'll probably trailer it and still take it to the show up there just to get a little exposure. But I'm getting real sick of it. So you might see this puppy for sale soon. Tired of jacking with it. Supposedly a fresh transmission, put it in. It's got all kinds of sort of problems. So now I'm gonna have to buy a transmission. Sick of it. All right, y'all. So I just got the text. My brother does not have T-ball practice tonight. So we're gonna be rolling 2 deep into the car meet, car show, whatever you want to call it. And I've got one more thing that I'm going to try to get that transmission to shift. And if that doesn't fix it, I don't know. I'm just going to probably buy a good transmission and then put that in there. I'd like to put an overdrive transmission in it anyways, and I may just go ahead and buy like a 4L80 and a controller for it and do that. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what I'm going to do, but this video, you're about to get to see some cool cars, so enjoy. Hi, y'all. We made it, right over there. Pretty good turnout so far, still early. Nothing special. Got to see a few hot rods. Got to take mine out. Still working on getting the hearse right. S10 does pretty good. Kind of bangs out on higher RPMs. But if you want to buy this thing, let me know. And until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe